Colourful fish zip between coral towers, jellyfish float like glowing lanterns, and schools of dolphins twirl joyfully. Far beneath the waves, in a magical realm where seashells sing and seaweed sways to the rhythm of the tides, lived a sparkling little fairy named Nerina. She wasn't tall or strong, but her heart was huge, and her wings sparkled brighter than the moonlight on the sea. Nerina twirls through a hoop made of sea pearls, trailing glittering bubbles. She's about 6 inches tall, with a mermaid-style tail, glittery wings like a dragonfly, and seafoam blue hair that flows like liquid silk. Nerina, twirling. Whee! I love splashy spirals. But something feels different today. She looks toward the horizon. The waves are slower. The coral's glow has dimmed. Her pet seahorse, Tiki, swims over looking worried. Tiki, nervously. Nerina, the ocean doesn't feel happy anymore. The sea creatures gather at the great coral hall, where the oldest turtle, Elder Sheller, speaks. The sparkle current, the magical stream that flows through our entire ocean, is fading. Without it, our sea will lose its color, its joy, and its balance. The sea gasps, fish faint, eels entangle themselves in panic. I'll go find out what's wrong. I'll fix it. Elder Sheller said softly, Nerina, this journey will test your courage, your heart, and your sparkle. Are you ready? Nerina nods, eyes wide with determination. And so began Nerina's boldest mission, to restore the light of the sea. Lesson 1. Kindness counts. She swims into the murky seaweed swamp. Greenish fog swirls, and cranky crabs scuttle away. Suddenly, roar, a shadow looms. It's Grizzle the sea dragon, tangled in vines. Grizzle, roaring, who dares enter my gloomy home? Nerina shakes but approaches. Nerina, gently, you look hurt, let me help. She hums a healing melody and wraps sea moss around Grizzle's injured fin. His eyes widen. Grizzle, you're helping me, even though I scared you. Nerina, kindness is strongest when it's least expected. The swamp brightens a little. Grizzle smiles for the first time in years. Kindness isn't weakness, it's magic that heals more than wounds. Lesson 2. Stay calm, think smart. Nerina next enters Whirlpool Cavern, where wild spinning waters swirl uncontrollably. Her wings flap hard, but she gets sucked in. Nerina, panicking, help! I'm going to lose control. She closes her eyes and whispers, Nerina, breathe like the ocean, slow and steady. Her panic turns to calm. She remembers an old spell. Whirl and twirl, now gently slow, turn wild waves into a peaceful flow. The whirlpool softens, and she floats safely to a quiet tunnel. When storms spin inside and out, calm thinking is your anchor. Lesson 3. Take responsibility. She arrives at a once bustling underwater playground, now tangled with trash, straws, wrappers, bottles. We can't play anymore. Everything's ruined. Nerina, who did this? A glowing clam timidly opens up. Clam, ashamed. I dropped all this from the surface. I didn't think it would matter. Nerina, firm but kind, said, every creature matters, and every choice matters. Let's clean this up, together. With the help of dolphins, turtles, and the sea crab twins, they recycle, clean, and restore the playground. Taking responsibility means fixing what you can, not hiding from it. Lesson 4. Believe in yourself. At last, Nerina finds the crystal cavern, where the sparkle stone, a swirling orb of ocean energy, sits, dark and dull. A massive fog cloud hovers, whispering, dark doubt. You're too small, too weak. You can't fix this. Nerina trembles, then places a hand on her chest. Nerina, I've helped others. I've been brave. I am enough. She sings a song only sea fairies know. Light and wave, shine and see, bring the sparkle back through me. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.